Now they're going to drop a block on it.
All right. Now let's see if Mark's got some skills here when it comes to a little bit of aiming this baby up to make sure it hits right on the mark.
Hold on.
This should be like a technical thing right here. He might be a little too far forward. Well, maybe a little bit.
Ready? Gonna see, drop the block on it. Higher.
All right.
That's it?
Brandon, you want to go higher? You guys out there want to go higher? Mark said he's got good accuracy from 7 feet, but from 10 he may be in trouble. Higher? Okay, a little bit higher.
Put that sucker all the way
A little
up.
bit higher. Is that good, guys? What, you want it higher? If you want it higher, make some noise.
This guy said I ain't doing it.
All right, let's raise it a little bit higher. All right, Corey's in there. He's going to take a shot at it.
That guy's like, forget it.
Aiming's going to be the factor here, you guys. We got to be able to aim this thing right. That looks pretty good right there, I think. All
You
right,
have to
we're
back
gonna
up,
go
I think.
Oh, we're going to go higher? Yeah, you got to go out a little bit, Corey. There you go.
Yeah, because that thing ain't gonna tumble.
Let's see what kind of
just
aim
gonna
Corey's
fall.
got.
That's good.
That should be good. That looks pretty good, guys. As it slides off there, it should land right on top of that lawnmower.
Hey, buddy, watch.
Why you watch?
I'd say even back a little bit.
Nah.
Did you check the wind?
Check
Throw
the-
some mud in the air and check the wind? There you go. I threw a rock, it came right back down. All right, Corey, you think you got it? All right. All you kids out there, let's count it down. 5, 4, let me hear it. Drop it! Uh-oh.
Oh, it's going to miss it. Oh!
Took out That was pretty good aim, guys. I was right when I said a little bit back. We'd have had it dead on.
Yeah, I see.
He didn't take a picture.
All right.